Hello and welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys a super fast to make treat that you can just make and give away to your loved ones or to the very special one. Guys, this recipe is just a blessing. It is super healthy. The ingredients are all natural except the chocolate, but still, this is also allowed and we should have the balance. And it is just the melting chocolate on your tongue, the crunchy peanut butter, and the chewiness of the dates make this pralines just irresistible. Let's get to work, guys, and create delicious little magic balls. Like always, I'm going to leave the entire recipe in the description box down below. Guys, for this delicious pralines, you just gonna need a few ingredients. The first one are dates. I took here the very delicious Persian dates that I love. You can get them in the Persian store. Next, we have here homemade peanut butter. If you want to have the recipe, write me in the comments and I will definitely create a video. Next, of course, we're gonna need chocolate. I have here milk chocolate. Salt, we're gonna need coconut oil and vanilla extract. And for the extra beauty look, we're also gonna need some gold dust, which is absolutely optional. Now, the first step is going to be to take the seeds out of your dates. You can make coffee out of these seeds. If you want me to show how, just write me in the comment section and we're gonna make a video about that. Now it's time to start making delicious date caramel, which is just mashed dates in the food processor. Once you did that, you can actually transfer everything to a big bowl and mix it together with the homemade crunchy peanut butter that I love. You could also keep working in your machine. I choose the second way. And now mom is here combining everything nicely till we have a delicious date peanut dough. Once you're done with your dough and you have this delicious caramel with the peanut butter, with the crunches of the peanuts, you're going to add your vanilla extract, which will give the entire filling a very nice fragrance and enhance the flavor of the rest of the ingredients. And last but not least, we're going to add a pinch of salt because this will balance out the sweetness of the dates and bring a little bit of the salted caramel taste in the entire filling. Super delicious. Once your dough is done, you're going to put it into a plastic bag or into a container. And then you can actually just put it into the fridge for a couple hours to get a little bit more firm. Or you can also keep it month and month in your refrigerator till you really need to make it. So this is a really nice, preparable recipe. But now we are going to melt our chocolate. You can melt your chocolate when you chop it into small pieces. Add the coconut oil and either melt it in the microwave step by step like I did here, like 10 seconds on, 5 seconds off, give it a stir, put it in again on very low heat. Or you just do it above a water bath and let it melt slowly. It's up to you. At the end, it should look like this, shiny and nice and a little bit more liquid, and it will cover our pralines amazingly. This little hack with the coconut oil is very helpful. Next, we're going to prepare our working space. We have the toppings, we have the chocolate, we have the filling, and we have parchment paper. And now I have here a little scoop, which is actually a measurement for tablespoons, but it has a very nice shape for getting the exact portion that I need for my pralines. Look at your home if you can find something like this. If not, just take a teaspoon and make them as even as possible. This is it. And now we're going to shape these little balls. And it's quite sticky, so I add a little bit oil to my spoon. And now it's just super easy to form these little dough balls. little oil hack also helps us to smooth out the surface of the pralines, which will make the chocolate stick better and more evenly to the pralines. So it's a very, very nice hack. Try it out. Let me know in the comment section what you think, and maybe you have even a better idea. Next, we're going to take a fork and dunk our pralines into the chocolate. Cover it. Oh my gosh, look at this. Delicious. So satisfying it looks. And put it on the parchment paper. And this is what we're going to do with all of our little pralines. Guys, this is a recipe you can also make with your kids as a little gift for other people. It's very satisfying when you create something with the little ones and they know they're capable of producing such lovely, delicious, healthy foods. It's very, very nice. I just love it. And I love when I used to cook with mom, and I still do it, as you guys can see. Cooking is really fun. Try these recipes out. Let me know what you think, and also let us know what more recipes we can do for you. And this is the last step we have here. Once you're done with your chocolate covering, you're gonna add love by adding these delicious, nice gold dust and a little bit of salt on each of these pralines, and you are done. Guys, this is so delicious. Everybody gonna be amazed. Everyone loves them, adults and kids. Who doesn't like caramel and peanut butter? They look just magical. And since Valentine's Day is coming, we have here the perfect Valentine decoration, little hearts, little sugar hearts. We put also on each of the pralines, and obviously we put them in nice paper wraps so that they look even more beautiful. And this is how we treat our loved ones this year with delicious pralines. Guys, also try out the video that I'm gonna link down below with the rasmalai. It's also a very, very beautiful, easy recipe to enjoy and indulge with your loved ones. Guys, and now it's time to try these deliciousness with mom together. Happy Valentine!
Happy Valentine!
Guys, look what we have here. This is super easy to make and I hope delicious, and we are going to try and tell you guys very soon. Look how beautiful it looks. قشنگه نه؟ It looks very, very cute.
حتما خیلی هم خوشمزه.
آره بشه خوبیه کنیم.
ببینیم.
Look how cute this looks with this little dust on top. Very, very nice. خیلی بامزن.
خیلی خوشگلن.
Super easy to make. نوش جون.
نوش جون. دست درد نکنه.
I love the appearance. خیلی قشنگن.
واقعا. خیلی خوشگل نشون میدن. حالا ببینید.
Let's try. So gooey.
فقط باید بخوریم بچه ها. مثل راحت حلقو میمونه.
It's melting in the mouth. And it's just so amazing. And all natural ingredients. I mean, like, so easy to make. And it's perfect even for kids if you want to make it for other occasions. But really good and really nice recipe. I love it. Really. Guys, there's a little salty taste. Yeah. It's very nice sticking to your mouth. Not too sweet. Very nice roasted taste of the peanut butter. Amazing. And I love that my peanut butter, I made it at home, had a little bit of these crunches in it. Very good.
Also Schokolade, Dattel und Salz. Bisschen salzig. Es ist sehr lecker. Danke dir.
Freut mich, Mama.
Lass dich da nachkommen.
Super good. Try it out. Let us know what you think. Very nice.
زیر لکا.
Let's have a tea.
یا.
Cheers.
بدون چای مزه نمیکنه.
So good. Oh, wow. Have a little chai with some rose in it. It's Valentine's Day. خیلی مزه خوبی داد.
خیلی خیلی.
Love you so much, guys.
بای بای.
Guys, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Do not forget to hit the like button, to hit the subscribe button, and to come back next week on Friday, maybe Saturday, or even Sunday, maybe all of them, because I'm gonna upload another amazing recipe video. Stay tuned. Isn't it wonderful that we all have more than enough to eat every day on our plates? Yes, it is. But unfortunately, this is not the truth for many kids on this planet. For less than 70 cents a day, you can share a meal with Share a Meal. Actually, 3 meals with 1 child. So let's make a difference. I'm gonna leave a link down below. You can follow it. It's so easy to share a meal. I'm so grateful that you helped me to make a difference. Thank you.